Hey everyone, if we want to stand out on LinkedIn, we need to show more than just words on our profile. Adding a portfolio is a powerful way to do this. Whether we are designers, writers, developers, marketers, students, or freelancers, showing our actual work can make a big difference. Instead of only telling people what we can do, we show them real proof. Today, we are going to guide you through how to add a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile and explain why it's important for your professional growth. Adding a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile helps us visually show our skills, experience, and accomplishments. Employers and potential clients often want to see real examples of our work before making a decision. By uploading documents, linking projects, attaching presentations, or adding website links to your profile, we give viewers a better understanding of what we can do. A portfolio builds credibility, increases trust, and helps us stand out in a competitive job market. It turns our LinkedIn profile from a simple resume into a dynamic display of our talent and expertise. Now, follow us as we show you step by step how to add a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile, even if you are new to this. First, open your browser. Go to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you log in, you will see your homepage. From here, go to your profile by clicking your mini profile picture. Click the drop-down menu, then go to View Profile. In this section, you will see options like Open To, Add Section, and Enhance Profile. Click Add Section. A small window will pop up. Go to Recommended. Under Recommended, select Add Projects. Click this option and give your project a name, for example, My Portfolio. Here, you can add a description and list your skills. You can also add your media portfolio here. We use the Add Projects feature because it lets us add more detail than other options. Here, we can be more specific and creative with our portfolios. You can add more detailed information about your portfolio here. After that, click Save. You will then see your portfolio added to your profile. That's how we add a portfolio to LinkedIn. Make sure your samples are professional, updated, and relevant to the types of opportunities you are looking for. A well-presented portfolio can open doors to new connections, job offers, and collaborations.